What's up, y'all? Welcome in and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are completely new, hello, I'm Sincerely Niko. In today's video, we're going to run back a video that you guys kind of loved a lot on my channel, and that is the full face series. And one particular brand you guys loved a lot, and that was MAC Cosmetics. So we're going to be running it back, doing another full face of MAC Cosmetics. We're going to be doing this look here, as you guys can see. Very graphic liner, very pop art. Very luminous, dewy skin. Perfect for this weather because it is dry outside. It's cold, but it's dry. So this is going to give a little bit of luminosity, a little bit of a glow, being strategic, being thoughtful, being mindful, being demure, being extra. All wrapped in one. So if you guys are interested in this video, definitely keep on watching. But before we do so, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Be a part of the Exo Squad. We get lit on this side of YouTube. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right on in to this video. Alright, so y'all really liked that last MAC video, so I'm back to do another one, and I got a lot of products to try out. This is the MAC train case. I purchased this to take this with me on my trip to Nigeria, so if you did not watch that video, that travel vlog, please go watch that travel vlog. I will really appreciate it. But nevertheless, I took this on vacation with me, and it came in definitely handy. But when I got back, I got more products to try out because you guys loved that last full face of MAC. I'm gonna do another full face of MAC for you guys, and got a lot of new products in here, so we're gonna try some things out for you guys. And yeah, let's go ahead and jump right on in to this video. I'm back, browser on. Went ahead and prepped and primed the face. I don't have any MAC primers just yet, but I went ahead and prepped and primed the face. I used the Refi. This is the Glow and Sculpt face primer. She's been getting me together. She's been getting me right together. So for foundation, I'm going to go in with the MAC. This is the MAC Studio Fix Fluid Broad Spectrum SPF 15 in NW50. This is going to be my first time trying this out. I have never tried out Studio Fix Fluid. This is what we're kind of working with. It's looking a little promising.
This shit getting out of hand!
Are you sure this is NW50?
Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow.
Is this my shade? Because this don't look like it's my shade.
It's nothing out here that has changed. If anything, it went from worse to worse, sir.
This don't look like it's my shade, Governor. It can be, but it's just it.
Oh, just no.
I'm gonna take some of this Everywhere Pan, and this is in NW50. I'm gonna take some of this. See, this is more my shade. Okay, I'm gonna take this side off, and I'm gonna pop my tried and true Everywhere Pan right here, and we're gonna fix this. We're gonna get it together. All right, I'm back. I am going to color correct my face with the Everywhere Pan, just so that I can kind of have some type of coverage in this particular area. That's not the right shade. I'm about to mess myself up. So I'm just gonna go in and add some right here. Because I'm about to use another foundation that I have. Alright, so skin is prepped. I do have the Skin Finish Light Struck, and I have it in the shade Bronze Glaze. But I do want to swatch all of the other colors because I was also sent the other colors as well too. So we're going to give that a go as well. So the first shade that I'm going to swatch is Extraordinary. That's pretty. That's like a True Tone Gold. Then we got Double Gleam. Okay. Glacial. That is like fairy, being a fairy. Want to go in with Bubble Over. Space Slippers is the next one up. Space Slippers is pretty. Cherry Chrome. Cherry Chrome is pretty too. But last but not least, I'm going to swatch the one that I bought, which is Bronze Glaze. Here's what Bronze Glaze looks like. And we're going to put Bronze Glaze right here. And I'm going to take the Anastasia, this is the A30 brush, and I'm just going to blend her out. That is pretty on the skin. Just a nice little healthy glow. We're going to pop some on this side as well too. Now we're going to go in with our foundation. Again, we're going to be trying out the Strobe Dewy Skin Tint, and I got it in Rich 2. I like how this skin tint gives your skin like a glow built in, like a built-in glow. It's not as shimmery as I would think, given the name Strobe. It's more on the like luminous side, and I'm not mad at it. What do you guys think of the skin tint so far? Alright, so we're going to do a little bit of color correcting. I'm going to take NW55 and I'm going to pop a little bit right under the eye just to have some coverage. And I'm going to blend this out with the Morphe 453. Then we're going to cake it up a notch. I'm going to go in with NC45 and we're going to brighten just a little bit in the highlight areas. Keeping it real natural. As you guys can see, not doing too much to the face. Alright, so for under eyes, I'm going to take Dark Deepest, and hopefully this will lock my under eyes in and give me a nice, yeah, this will be okay. It's not the shade of choice. I prefer something a little more brighter, but for a natural everyday beat, I can see it. And I really love this combination of the mineralized skin finish and the dewy strobe cream. It just literally gives like butter to the skin. For blush, I'm going to use Femme Noir, but I'm going to use it in the contour and just give the skin some shape, just a little bit. Being very careful about where I'm depositing the product, just to give the skin some depth. To set the under eyes, I'm going to go with a little extreme. This is NC17. It's bright, but it's getting the job done. I'm going to grab a little bit of this mineralized skin finish in Dark Deep and just kind of, yeah, go over it just a tad bit to kind of tone it down just a little bit, but not too much. Going in with my favorite blush. This is Pinch Cash. You know, you know. And if you don't know, now you know. Cause baby, that is a blush. That is my color. I think it's time to move on to the eyes. But before we do so, I want to go ahead and set this face, lock it in place, and then we can do a little razzle dazzle with eyes. So I'm going to take the Fix Plus Original, but I have it in the mini, so I'm going to use the mini. And I'm just going to melt everything down. Then let it dry. Do a little fan dry to speed up the process. I did pop some underneath. I'm going to go in with some more of the skin finish on top. So this is, alright, let's play with some eyes. I kind of want to recreate this photo that I did, but I don't have a white eyeliner. Alright, we're going to sub out the white eyeliner for a green. I have the last word, bananas, and strawberry milk. They look so vibrant. I'm going to try to recreate that look that I did in this photo, but subbing out the white for green so that the liner falls directly where it needs to. I'm going to raise my brows up, and I am going to go in right here where this little orbital bone. I'm going to take that same color and I'm going to wing out just right there. Then I'm going to go in with bananas, and then I'm going to pretty much kind of go over that blue and then a little bit under, creating like a little paint splotch. Then right over here, adding some yellow. So I also did some yellow here on the second photo. Then we're going to take the green, which is the last word, I do have a little white jumbo pencil from Wet n Wild, because that yellow is not giving me what I want. We're getting somewhere. This is a rendition. It's not going to be a full-on recreation. I'm just going to take that last word and just go ahead and color in the rest of the eye. Might as well connect it. I got 2 of the new Silky Matte lipsticks that just launched. Verb Swerve and Unbothered. And then I also have 4 of the Dazzle lips that just launched as well too. I think I'm going to line my lips because I did get some lip liners. Some more lip liners. Night Moth, Center of Attention, Caviar, Bricola, Beige Turner. Of course, you know I already have Chestnut and I already have Root for Me. So I think what I'm going to do, I want to do Verb Swerve, so I'm going to do Night Moth. I'm not going to open this one because I already have one open. Yeah, let me go and grab that real quickly. So I have the limited edition Night Moth that is from the Nocturna collection. I'm going to grab a little bit of Root for Me. Just a tad bit. I'm going to go in with the Yash. Dazzle shot, Dazzle lip time. This is the shade Lightning Bug. Alright, let's pop Lightning Bug on top. It's very subtle, but not, I mean, there is shimmer in there. I see it. Maybe if, now I see the shimmer. But yeah, this pretty much completes the look here. I had a little bit of issues, but other than that, I think for me the hero of my makeup look was the Skin Finish Lightning Struck in the shade Bronze Glaze. The skin is glowing. It's glowing, and I'm living for it. I am living for it. Alright guys, so this pretty much completes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you have not subscribed already, please do so by hitting that subscribe button. I would love for you guys to join me here on YouTube and be a part of the XO Squad. Comment down below, what is your favorite Mac product that I either used or need to try? Please let me know down below. I'm curious to find out. Without further ado, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Bye.